Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear what is the difference between nominal GDP and real GDP. For this, I have prepared a common format for base year. Let us see what is the difference in current year, both in nominal GDP or real GDP. In the base year, in nominal GDP, that is 1,32,000, and in real GDP is 1,32,000, which is common. Now let us see what are the changes in current year, because we have to measure nominal GDP. It means we have to change prices in current year. So we will change price. Prices will be increases from 6 to 10, 4 to 5, 1,000 to 1,200. And for real GDP, here prices will be constant as it is no change in price. Rather quantity will be changes. So I am changing quantity in real GDP for current year. And cell phones quantity from 100 to 120. So in nominal GDP, quantity will be same as it is, no change in quantity. And in real GDP, no change in price. Prices will be remain same as it is, no change in price. So let us put same quantity as it was in base year, and here let us put same price as those were in base year. Now while multiplying quantity with price, we can get GDP, which is 20,000, 25,000, 1,20,000, and total will be 1,65,000. And measurement of real GDP in current year, we keep prices as it is constant, no change in price. So Q1 P0 will be 13,200, 24,000, cell phone prices will be same as it is 1, rather quantity will increase from 100 to, here prices are 1,000, so it will be 1,20,000. So the total GDP will be 1,57,200. So if we measure GDP at current prices, then it will be 1,65,000. But if we measure GDP at constant prices, then it will be 1,57,200, which is less than 1,65,000. So we can say real GDP is the true indicator of economic welfare. Nominal GDP is not a true indicator of economic welfare, because GDP is more when we measure GDP at current prices, and it is less when we measure GDP at constant prices. So that's all regarding this video. Do subscribe my channel to see more theoretical videos related to national income. Thank you.